Welcome to a captivating exploration of one of nature's most extraordinary gifts, the apple. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the world of apples, uncovering their remarkable nutritional benefits, their role in promoting good health, and even some fascinating historical tidbits. Whether you're a longtime apple enthusiast or just looking to learn more about this incredible fruit, this video has something for everyone. Nutrient Powerhouse. Apples may seem simple, but they pack a nutritional punch. We'll dive into the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make apples a fantastic addition to your diet. From vitamin C to dietary fiber and phytonutrients, you'll discover how each bite contributes to your well-being. A bite of history. Apples have a rich history, intertwined with myths, legends, and historical events. We'll share captivating stories about the role apples have played throughout the ages, from the Garden of Eden to the legendary apple that inspired Sir Isaac Newton's theory of gravity. Health benefits unveiled. Learn how apples can be your secret weapon for a healthier life. We'll explore the science behind apples' ability to lower the risk of heart disease, regulate blood sugar levels, aid in weight management, and even potentially reduce the risk of certain cancers. Discover how this seemingly ordinary fruit can have extraordinary effects on your health. Advantages of apples. Weight management. Apples' high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight control. Heart health. Explore how apples can contribute to a healthy heart by regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive health. Discover how the fiber in apples supports a healthy digestive system. Antioxidant protection. Learn how apples' antioxidants combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Dental health. Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, helping reduce the risk of tooth decay. Disadvantages of apples. Sugar content. Understand that while apples contain natural sugars, moderation is important, especially for those with diabetes. Pesticides. Be aware that conventionally grown apples may have pesticide residues. Consider organic options. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to apples or develop oral allergy syndrome. How many apples should you eat daily? We'll discuss the ideal daily intake of apples, considering factors like age, activity level, and overall diet. Discover how enjoying 1 to 2 servings of fruit per day, which can include apples, can provide essential nutrients and fiber without excessive sugar intake. Disease prevention and management. Explore the diseases that can be prevented or managed by incorporating apples into your diet, including heart disease. Apples' heart-healthy nutrients can reduce the risk of heart disease. Diabetes management. The fiber in apples helps stabilize blood sugar levels for individuals with diabetes. Weight management. Apples' high fiber content aids in weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. Cancer prevention. Learn about studies suggesting that apples may reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as colon cancer. Digestive health. Apples promote a healthy gut by preventing constipation and supporting beneficial gut bacteria. Join us on this apple-filled adventure as we celebrate the beauty, nutrition, history, advantages, and even the potential disadvantages of this remarkable fruit. Get ready to be inspired to bite into a healthier lifestyle with apples as your trusty companions. Don't miss out on this mouth-watering and informative journey into the world of apples. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button. For more insightful content about health, nutrition, and nature's wonders, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And, of course, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with apples in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this delicious adventure, and we look forward to having you with us in future videos. Stay healthy and keep enjoying those crisp, refreshing apples.